In the 3rd century BC, after the fall of the Macedonian Empire, arose the civilization of Parthia. The Parthians both fought and traded with the ancient Romans, and from the other direction, India, came ivory and precious stones. The main capital of Parthia was located 12 kilometers from what is now Ashgabat. On this site have been found enormous cups made from elephant tusks. They're called ritons. On them, ancient masters preserved everyday scenes, religious rites, and ancient rituals. The Parthians idolized their dead kings. Scholars believe that this sculpture depicts a Parthian warrior queen, Rodoguna,